In this video, I get to show you how you get to download the Threads app and also set up a Threads account. Let's go. What's up? My name is Linus, and today we are just setting up a Threads account. Now, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step process of one, how we get to download the application, how to install it onto your device, and then how we get to log in and create our Threads account right there. Being a new social media platform, it is hot off the press. So let's get straight to the phone and we get looking for it. Now, I'm going to be looking for this on the Google Play Store. So if you're using an Apple device, you might as well go to the App Store. But since I have an Android device right here, I shall be looking for it on the Google Play Store. So let's go to Google Play Store right there. We are going to search for Threads. Yes, we're searching for Threads. That's what we're searching for right there. Now you get to notice it should be high ranking among the social apps right there. We're going to tap on it. It's the letter A with a weird spaghetti looking thing around it, black and white. We're going to tap on that and then tap on install. It's going to take a while for it to install, and then you give it some time depending on how fast your network is. On mine is pretty fast, but of course downloading about 70 something MBs right there. Now once it's done installing, we are going to look for it right there, Threads app, open it, and voila. So already it says Threads from Meta. Ooh, I like this. I'll just screenshot that. That looks very beautiful right there. So we have this nice threads and all that. So one thing we get to notice is in order for you to have a Threads account, you need to have an Instagram account. You cannot create a Threads account without an Instagram account. So if you don't have an Instagram account, you go to Instagram, create a quick Instagram account, and then come back and log into Threads with it. Now, if you already have an Instagram account, like you can see mine here, it picks up on the Instagram account that you want to use right there. So they can just switch over. Let me switch over to a text select account. As you can see that now we are here. So we are now at the part where we build our profile. Okay, so as you can see, it has already picked up my name over there, text select UG, and then via bio, we've written I'm a Ugandan YouTuber. That will be our bio. You can always put anything that describes who you are, what you believe in right there. Via link, if you have a website, let's say if you're a business, this is the point where you put your link. I'll be adding mine a little bit later, so we might as well move ahead. Or alternatively, there is the option to import everything from Instagram. If you tap that button, all the previous information, for example, your bio, your website, all these things will be picked up from Instagram. So let me just click here, import from Instagram, and then there we go, everything imported, done. If you don't want to type them in manually, just have the hit and you're good to go. Now let's hit continue. Over here, let's see. Here you have public profile or private profile. Anyone on and off Threads can see. That's for public. And then private, only approved followers. So let's go with public because, by the time you're doing something like this, you want it for the public. It's for people to get to enjoy, see what it is you're posting and all of that. So right there, here you have follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram, or, it's a question for you. Do you want to follow the accounts you have on Instagram? Now, this is another advantage point. If you watched my previous video about Threads, you get to notice the advantage of Threads is it picks out all your information from Instagram. So if you have a large Instagram following already, you don't start Threads from zero. It just picks out those numbers, drops them over for you over to Threads, and then you have a starting point. Biggest issue we've had many times is you're trying to start on a new social media platform and you have to start from zero followers, zero everything, which makes it hard. But in this particular case, if let's say you have 1 million people following you on Instagram, as soon as you create a Thread account right there, it just picks out and you're good to go. So let's just go follow all. Right, and of course now, as you can see, powered by Instagram, the Fediverse, your data. You can always read more about this. I'm just skipping through so that this video is not 34 50 minutes long. Okay, let's just go to the next right there. Now give it a bit of time to prepare your profile and we wait for that. There we go. So next thing is going to ask you, allow it for send you notifications. This allows you to get to notice when somebody has maybe pinned or something, dropped a new thread or something like that. So you definitely want to enable notifications so to get to know what is happening over there. Now, of course, I've been sent an email telling me my Instagram account has been used to log in somewhere, and then now this here is our homepage. So as you notice, it is very, very similar. This homepage gives you the vibes of a Twitter account. There's a lot in similar with Twitter over here. You can see Mr. Beast. Follow him on Instagram, and he's already here on Threads on his Thread account, and everything is simple. I like how simple and precise. It is like a 1, 2, 3, process. It's not so long, it's not tedious. It's just click, and you're in there, and everything seems well organized. I like the fact that it's really crisp. Like now, the videos that are playing are really crisp. They're nice. There's something about it that has been tweaked. It feels like it has been well organized. But anyways, being from Meta, parent company of Facebook, they've been around for a really, really long time, so they definitely know how to make an app, really. And if you also do remember, each time Meta has come as launched their teeth at something, the parent company actually did get to suffer the most. For instance, when they started Instagram, many things. When they did Instagram, Snapchat got to suffer. When they started bringing in the Reels, of course, they are battling with TikTok. So everything they do normally, they do it to perfection, and I definitely always beats out the competition. So let's get to see, over here, you tap on the profile. This way you can, of course, now change your profile, edit profile, share profile, and you get to see the threads you've posted and also the replies. There's the like, of course, where you get to see people who are activity, people who are reaching out to you. You get to confirm those. So you have replies, mentions, verified. If you want to get verified, who is verified over there. Now, this is where you get to write. This little tab over is like a tiny box with like a pen in it. So this is where you get to write a new thread. Let's just write hello world, right there, and then we click post. Simple as that, and my first thread is posted. Now, of course, you can always go on Threads. Follow me at TechSelectUG. Right, I don't know if the prefix still follows over right here, but of course, TechSelectUG is what you should be looking at, looking for on Threads right now. What I wanted to highlight here is we see where they start a thread. Now, for those who have been added Twitter posters, you get to notice each time you'd want to post like a long story, where you have like a part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, you had to post them in individual tweets. Now, in this particular bit on Threads, you have here start a thread. So this would be, let's say, thread 1. We did this as thread 1. There's another one where it says add thread. You just tap it right there, and then you go straight to thread 2. And so on and so on and so on. So your story, you can post the entire long story just by tapping on add thread and add thread. Let's just discard that because I'm not posting that. Now there's a search bit here where you can search for who to follow. Of course, because it is a social media platform. At the end of the day, you want people to follow you, want to follow people, and definitely it's all about interacting and following people. So there is a search button here where you can search and see who to follow, who not to follow, and stuff like that. Now, I am particularly looking for customizability. I don't seem to have any at the moment, but I believe with time, certain features will be coming over to this other side. Many other features will be dropping in, and of course, lots more. Based on the fact that it is a Meta, an app by Meta, I am really, really sure there's lots of new things, new features that will be crossing over. Let's just see if I edit profile right here. No, that just gives you to flag over the threads. So we lack the customizability, whereby let's say you can change the look of it from white to black. We just have that plain white over there. But I believe all these added features will be added on as the app keeps growing and maturing. And of course, maybe I'm the one who's failing to find it being a new user, and I'm just setting this up right now live on this particular video. Maybe I need to go back and look through it, but as of now, that is it. So there you have it. It's a simple process of how you can download the app and set up the Threads account. I like the fact that it's so simple. Just a matter of clicking, no verifications, no asking for emails, no, it just picks everything from your Instagram and then puts you over to the new platform. Very, very beautiful. Now, I've noticed many of you like watching my videos and so many of you are not subscribed. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you are alerted each time I drop a brand new video on this here channel. Subscription is free and it will help me grow the channel, as well also help us spread the word of TechSelectUG so that people can join and be part of the awesome family. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Linus and I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye.